In the 1800s, the people who got rich during the gold rush weren't the miners. They were the ones selling the tools. Right now, we are in a new gold rush. Not crypto, not real estate, artificial intelligence. And most people don't even realize it's happening. But the ones who see it early, they won't need a job in 5 years. Let me show you why. Every major wealth shift in history follows a pattern. New technology appears, people ignore it, early adopters experiment, then suddenly it explodes. The internet did it, smartphones did it, social media did it, now AI is doing it. The difference? AI is moving 10x faster. Tools that didn't exist 2 years ago are now replacing full teams. Writers, designers, coders, support agents, and that creates chaos, but also opportunity. Most people think the opportunity is learn AI. That's too vague. The gold is in leverage. Here's where the real opportunity is. AI automation agencies, AI-powered content businesses, AI SaaS tools, AI education and consulting, AI-enhanced personal brands. The winners won't be the ones using AI casually. They'll be the ones building systems with it. That's the difference. In the California gold rush, the biggest fortunes came from selling shovels, picks, jeans, supplies, not digging. Today's shovels are automation systems, AI workflows, prompt libraries, templates, education. If you build something that helps others use AI, you win, regardless of who succeeds. That's leverage. Section 4. Why most people will miss it. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people use AI for entertainment, chatting, memes, random content. They consume, they don't build. And by the time they realize the opportunity, the early movers already dominate. This is the window, right now, before saturation, before regulation, before competition gets serious. Section 5. How to position yourself. If you want to win this gold rush, Step 1. Pick one AI niche. Step 2. Build one small system. Step 3. Turn it into a digital asset. Step 4. Stack income streams. You don't need to be a coder. You need to think like an architect. AI is the worker. You design the machine. Power close, 8:30 to 10. The AI gold rush isn't coming. It's already here. The only question is, will you be the miner or the one selling the tools? History doesn't reward the ones who watch. It rewards the ones who move early. If you're serious about building wealth in the AI era, subscribe to AI Wealth Pulse, because this is just the beginning.